In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications for Google Tasks. Staying on top of your tasks is crucial, whether you're juggling a hectic schedule or simply trying to make sure you don't forget the milk on your next grocery run. Google Tasks is a fantastic tool that helps you keep track of your to-do list, and turning on notifications makes it even better by ensuring you never miss a beat. Firstly, let's dive into the world of Google by heading to the Google homepage. Here you'll be greeted by the familiar interface, but what we're interested in is accessing our Google account where all the magic happens. To do this, you'll need to click on the Sign In button located typically at the top right corner of the page. This button is your gateway to a more personalized Google experience, including access to Google Tasks. Once you click on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Google account. This is important because all your Google services are interconnected. After typing in your email, the next step is, unsurprisingly, entering your password. This is your key to unlocking all your Google services, so ensure it's entered correctly. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself back at the Google homepage. But this time, it's personalized just for you. Now, to navigate through Google's array of services, you'll head over to the Google dashboard. This can be done by simply clicking on the Google Apps or the so-called waffle icon, which is usually found near your profile picture at the top right corner. This icon reveals a grid of Google services available at your fingertips. Within this grid, you're going to click on Calendar. Google Calendar is where Google Tasks notifications are managed, so it's essential to dive into Calendar's settings to get this done. As you're now in Google Calendar, glance over to the right side where you'll see a gear icon, which stands for Settings. Click on this to delve into the plethora of options that allow you to customize your Google Calendar experience. In the Settings menu, you'll want to find and click on Notification Settings. This is where Google allows you to tailor how you receive notifications for various events and reminders, including those set up in Google Tasks. You might notice there's a broad range of notification types you can adjust, but for Google Tasks specifically, you want to focus on alerts. Clicking on Alerts will open the door to setting up how and when you wish to be notified about tasks that are due. This level of customization ensures that you can set up notifications to match your personal preferences and workflow, making it less likely you'll overlook an important task. Why is this important? Well, integrating Google Tasks into your daily life by enabling notifications means you can seamlessly keep track of your to-dos alongside your other commitments. Whether it's work-related tasks, personal errands, or simply a reminder to take a break, setting up alerts ensures you're always one step ahead. Here's a tip. Take the time to explore the various notification options. You might prefer a pop-up notification on your desktop for tasks that require immediate attention or an email reminder for something that's due later in the week. The flexibility is there for you to use, so make sure you set it up in a way that complements your workflow. Remember, the goal of using Google Tasks is not just to list down what needs to be done, but to actually help you manage your time and tasks more efficiently. By enabling notifications, you're putting a system in place that keeps you informed and ready to tackle your day with more confidence and less stress. And there you have it, a simple guide to turning on notifications for Google Tasks via Google Calendar. This small but impactful adjustment in how you manage your tasks can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. So, take a moment to set up your notifications and start making the most of Google Tasks today. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more organized and productive you.